Lecture 9. Audio Syncing with Video. In this lecture, we'll focus on audio syncing, a key part of professional video editing. Whether it's dialogue, sound effects, or music, syncing sound with visuals ensures a smooth, polished result. Even slight misalignment can distract viewers and reduce the impact of your video. By the end, you'll be able to confidently sync audio with video, ensuring that your projects are both polished and engaging. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you'll be able to understand the importance of audio syncing and how it impacts video quality. Learn the techniques for syncing dialogue, sound effects, and music with video. Learn the tools and features in CapCut that make audio syncing more precise and efficient. Gain hands-on experience with syncing audio to video for various types of content. Why audio syncing is crucial. Before learning the how, it's important to understand why audio syncing matters. Even small mismatches like off lip sync, mistimed music, or delayed effects can feel jarring and pull the audience out of the experience. Visual consistency. Syncing audio with video ensures that what the audience hears matches what they see. For instance, if someone is speaking, the words need to align with their mouth movements. Immersion. Proper audio syncing contributes to a more immersive experience. Imagine watching a music video with sound that doesn't align with the beats. It breaks the flow and pulls you out of the experience. Professionalism. In professional video production, syncing is a standard practice. Getting this right is what separates amateur videos from professional ones. Now, let's break down the process of audio syncing in CapCut. Techniques for syncing audio with video. There are a few different types of audio syncing you might need to work with in your projects. Let's take a look at each one and discuss how to handle them effectively. Syncing dialogue with video. When you're working with dialogue, the most crucial aspect is lip syncing. This is the process of aligning the audio of the speaker's voice with their mouth movements. How to sync dialogue. Import the video and the corresponding voiceover or dialogue audio in CapCut. For example, you have recorded a lecture in here, as it has another voice as well, its own. But if you want to sync it with another one, so you can just upload the voiceover in here. Here you can see you have two audios right now. The first one is with the video, and the second one that you have recorded separately as a voiceover. Zoom in on the timeline to make final adjustments to the audio and video tracks. So you just press plus icon in here. Here you can see both the graphs almost match with each other. It means the audio is automatically synced with this video. But if it's not, you will have to make the adjustments. Use the waveform of the audio to align it with the speaker's mouth movements. This is where CapCut's visual audio waveform comes in handy, as it allows you to match the peaks and troughs of the audio with the visible lip movements in the video. Why this matters? Proper syncing ensures that the spoken words match the video precisely, making the video feel natural and believable. Small misalignments can be noticeable and distract the viewer. Syncing sound effects to action. Sound effects such as footsteps, door slams, or background noises need to be perfectly timed to match the actions in the video. Incorrectly synced sound effects can make your video feel off or worse, make it look like you didn't put in enough attention in detail. How to sync sound effects. Import the sound effects and drag them to the timeline. For example, you just play this video from here and let's see where the transition exists. In here. For example, here you can see there is a little transition in here, and you just want to add a transition sound effect. For that, you just go to audio, search in here as transition sound effect. You can use any of these, scroll down a bit like this, and when you just put it in here and just match at the moment and play this video like this, so that in here. Now play this video as it must be in here. So it exactly matches at the transition time. Use the split tool in CapCut to cut the video at the points where the action happens. Align the sound effect, for example a door slam or punch, to the exact moment in the video when the action occurs. Why this matters? Proper sound effect syncing brings the video to life. If the sound effect is too early or too late, it will confuse the audience and break the realism of the scene. Syncing music to video. Music plays a huge role in setting the tone and pacing of a video. Syncing the music to the video ensures that the energy of the music matches the action on screen. How to sync music? Import your music track to the timeline and place it below your video track. You can use the CapCut's built-in library as well. For that, you will go to audio track and write in here as, for example, calm background music. And for example, you just want to go with this one. As it is about interview, so you can just write in here as a little energetic music. And you can use any of these. Like if you want to go with this one, so drag it into the timeline below this video track and at the start in here. Use CapCut's timeline zoom feature to precisely place the music speeds in sync with key visual moments in the video. Adjust the start of the music track, making sure the music builds up to match important visual moments such as a climax or dramatic scene. Why this matters? Syncing music to video helps maintain the pacing of the edit. When the music aligns with visual moments, whether it's a beat drop or an energy shift, it creates a more immersive, emotionally engaging experience for the viewer. Using CapCut's tools to improve syncing. CapCut has several tools that make syncing audio easier and more accurate. Audio waveform. The visual waveform of the audio gives you a clear view of the sound, making it easier to match the audio with the video's visual cues. Here you can see we have two different audio tracks. The first one is with the video and the second one that we have recorded as a voiceover. So when you just match it, it just aligns with the video as well. The split tool allows you to cut the video or audio at precise moments, ensuring that you can adjust sync accurately. For example, you just want to sync in here, so bring it in here and use the split tool and this one as well. Here you can see you have separated this part from this part so that the syncing becomes easier and you can just adjust easily. Timeline zoom. Use this tool to zoom in on the timeline for a more detailed view of both the audio and video tracks, which makes syncing more precise. For example, you can use this tool in here, and here you can see when you just drag this part in here, and you can just match the waveforms in here. Always review your video in real time, as playback makes it easier to catch small sync issues that may be missed during detailed editing.